Dentistry is the perfect combination of art and science. And taking that art, taking that science and putting it together and giving someone back their smile. That's what I love about dentistry. I am able to look at a person, sit down with them, figure out what their needs are, what they want their final outcome to be, and figure out the best paths to get them there. I work with two of the best general dentists that I've ever seen. And then we have me, a prosthodontist. So between all of us, we can provide a patient with the entire spectrum of care, whether it's simple general dentistry to very complex full mouth rehabilitations. We've got you covered from beginning to end. We all try and treat our patients with the same love and care and talent that we would want to receive as patients ourselves. And I think that's the most important thing, that our patients know that we care about them. One of the most rewarding things about what I do is when I'm done and I set a patient up and I have them look at themselves in the mirror and I see that light come back into their eyes and I know that they feel really good about the way that they look. And then I see them 6 months later when they come in for their cleaning and I find out that they got married or that they got that job that they always wanted, or they just have a smile that's really profoundly deep and real. That is what makes me the most happy.